It works! Let's place this part here. So we just need to put this thing in, and it works! Now it's much better. So let's do this section. And now we just need to move it. It works! Here we go. Okay. 5. So it works! Let's test it. It works! Here we go. It kinda works. All right, let's release it. What? Ah, the video officially fake. Okay, it's kind of soap. Now let's wash this out. It doesn't really work. Not bad. Let's see. All right. Without some extra pushing. It works! Look at that! Let's test this gadget. 1, 2, 3. It's kinda worked. Let's test it. It actually works. Let's test it. Here we go. It actually works. Okay, let's test it. It kinda worked. Let's get started. Wow, look at this. And the final one, look, now my eggs are clean.